Alright guys, install the headlights. So let's check this app. Bam! So this can adjust speed. You can do this fast, crazy fast. And then you can do it slow. Or you can just turn on color. And then you can adjust so it's not that bright. So you can leave it purple, and then you can adjust it so it's not too bright. Also, there's an option you can do like music. It's the microphone, and then sensitivity. Hello, how can you help me? Ha 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 ha. So it's pretty, so you can do sensitivity low, and while I talk you can see it's lighting up. Pretty cool option too. So then, so this one was this option. That's what I got. I will put a link below, and it was around $71, and it's pretty worth it. Better than that stock ones. It's more funner to play with this now. Look pretty sick. So my next is my LED bar. It won't be colorful because it's too expensive. It's like $400, $300, but I bought an LED kit over there. It's laying in my box, and I'll be installing it and show how that works too. So this one so far pretty successful. And if you guys have any questions how to install it, I can answer that. It's real easy to and simple. There will be probably a red wire. You're gonna be asking me how to connect it. It's real easy. That red wire is your day running lights, and you do need to connect them. And to connect them, I'll show you guys right here. Mine's is open here, so it's easy to show you. I connected this wire. I just found the wire, and that's basically red wire that connects to the headlight. And then I found my blinkers that used to exist here, and then the wire is black, and I believe it's yellow or greenish. Look, I believe it's yellow, so it's black and yellow. Another way to test it, what I did, I used this guy. If you have this, really handy, you can always test it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and you guys have a good day. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you guys in my next videos. Take care.